Here at Lush Talk, we would like to encourage responsible drinking. We do not promote drinking and driving, nor anything that will be illegal. Drink responsibly and safely, and let's Lush Talk together. Nobody wants a felony.
Oh my gosh, that's too funny.
She poured more than mommy.
Yes, you did.
Snitch.
Yeah, I know, right? Get right. You big snitch.
Okay, guys.
We're back.
Third round, baby.
Round 3.
I just want to do a check. Whoa. I just want to do a check-in. How you doing? Because you was like really going to town on that last round.
Listen, I thought I had 1 cup. Child, when I used that shaker, I poured it, I had another full cup. You know what I did with it? I drunk it. Will I do it again? Damn well will. But
she lushed. She lushing.
I ain't lushing yet.
Oh, okay. Well, she's getting prepared to lush. Anyway, I just had to do a check-in real quick.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm really excited about this one though.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get to it.
Let's get into it. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff on this table. And you're like, what are you making? Okay, I'm about to tell you, okay? So we are gonna make something called a peach dream. It is a frozen kind of slushy beverage, and I'm excited about it. It's got 3 liquors in it.
3 liquors?
3 liquors.
3 liquors.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sorry. 2 liquors and a liqueur if we're gonna be bougie about it, all right? So I'm gonna walk through the different ingredients that we are gonna be using, and then we're gonna pop it in this here Vitamix and get it started, okay? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so you need your peach sorbet. I have seen people make their own peach sorbet. If you are into making your own, that's excellent, okay? Then you're gonna need a peach, so full disclosure, we're using peach Ciroc because that was picked out by you, the audience, okay?
Viewer's choice.
Exactly, so, but you can use any peach vodka that you wanna use, all right?
Any peach vodka? Any Ciroc vodka or vodka, not any peach Ciroc, whatever.
What did I say?
I don't know, but let's go ahead and go
Okay,
for it.
all right, anyway. A Calypso lemonade, what is this? A Southern Peach Lemonade.
Southern.
I believe you went on a journey to find this.
I
did. You know, you may have to search for this.
Went far yonder.
I think if you just find a peach lemonade drink, you're fine. Well, I don't know, we'll find out. Malibu rum, okay. Peach, thank you for correcting me. Peach. Okay. Grand Marnier, that's gonna be at the end, okay? And then puree-wise, we have a strawberry puree and a peach puree. Okay, are we ready to get into this? Because I'm ready. Now, full disclosure, we are gonna put down below how you make this for an individual serving, but I'm gonna be making a batch of these, okay?
4.
So do not replicate this if you are trying to make one batch. I mean, one individual serving. You might end up on your floor. So this is a batch that I'm about to prepare, okay? All right, let's get into it. All right,
Yes.
so we're gonna start off with our Ciroc. And since I'm making about 4 of these, I'm gonna need about 16 ounces of this. So don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed, people.
Ooh, child, I'm gonna be on the floor. Ooh, we used the whole bottle almost.
We're gonna pray. I hope we don't die.
I don't think we're gonna die. We're just gonna go to sleep. Go ahead.
Exactly. 4 ounces of our, sorry. So if you're doing individual, this will be 4 ounces of the rum, the Malibu Peach Rum, but we are making for 4 servings. So.
Ooh, child, I wish that was water right now.
That's okay, you can stay hydrated, you know, throughout. You know, stay hydrated throughout. And then about 6 ounces of our Calypso.
Okay. Wait, what? Go ahead.
So I didn't calculate right, I eyeballed that.
Whatever the ancestors was telling
But I
us.
also feel like we maybe needed a little bit more juice to counteract all of the liquor
I think this might help us, so.
put in there, okay? And then, so if you are making 1 serving of this, you would do 1 ounce of your peach puree.
Be careful. I think it's liquidy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shoo, she's right. Okay. You was right about that. I would have been in a poor place. Okay. Oh, and the strawberry already starting. 1 ounce of the strawberry if you're just doing 1 serving. Okay, now our peach sorbet, all right? So I'm gonna take, and I will say I let this melt down a little bit because I wanted it to be easier for me to scoop out. Sorbet is already softer than ice cream, but I didn't want to be struggling on camera for y'all, so don't judge me. I'm not trying to do all that. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, look at her, what's she doing? Okay, really? I'm still struggling. Let me find out.
I feel like the liquor is gonna overpower the sorbet.
I do. Should I just put all of it in there? What do you think? This is a 1 pint.
And what did it ask for?
Basically, if you were doing, it would be like the equivalent of like 3 scoops.
And then it calls for no ice? Ooh, child,
So what do you think? What do you think? What are we doing? You want to put the whole pint?
Whatever the ancestors tell us.
I think the ancestors tell us to be a little bit on the safer side. We're not gonna do the whole amount, but we're gonna do most of it.
But y'all get the drift.
We just don't want nobody to fall out.
No,
That's not cute.
at all.
I will wipe this down later, child. It is what it is.
Yep. Trial and error.
Okay, so as you can see,
Ooh.
so we're gonna blend this up.
I like it. Nice little color to it.
Now keep in mind, we're actually gonna put some Grand Marnier on here, on top of our beverage to finish it off. So it's about to be, exactly, it's like a floater, as they say, okay? So, hold on.
A peach dream is what they call it.
They call it a peach dream.
Let's see if the dream is alive.
Is it gonna be a peach dream or is it gonna be a peach nightmare? We don't know.
We're gonna find out. It's a nice little color to it though.
It's cute though.
Got a little creamy look to it. All right, sis, I ain't trying to.
Whoa, my bad, bro. My bad.
Child.
And then we're gonna put I will let you pour your own Grand Marnier on there. Said about, since we are now individual,
Yes.
said about 2 ounces of your Grand Marnier.
Ounces? I don't know what that look like, but I'm gonna go whatever the ancestors tell us.
Sorry.
It burped.
It burped.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
They're saying more.
Yeah, and the whole time we're like, we don't know if we should do more because we don't know. Are we gonna be like,
Ooh, this is cute.
I mean, it's cute though.
With the little foam.
Okay, cheers. Here we go.
Ooh, child.
I like it a lot.
It feels like summer.
Hey.
I'm gonna let you give the rating first.
Oh, you gotta do it? Okay, hold on. Okay. This is definitely my favorite. Full disclosure.
I'm a sucker for peach.
Is strong. So that's probably one of the factors into why this is my favorite so far. Hold on.
We like it strong. We like it good. It's good.
Okay.
It's like just right.
So rating wise, if I'm gonna give it a actual numerical score, right? Gotta give it a score. I'm gonna say a 9. Okay, I'm gonna give it a 9. The flavor is really good. All of this, yes. Okay, so first and foremost, it is liquor forward. If you hear our cheerleader back there, she's just as excited for us as we are right now, okay? So it's liquor forward, but not in a over the top way. You get the peach throughout, right? It's called a peach dream. I'm definitely getting that. I feel like I should indeed be on a beach or a yacht drinking this, basically on vacation, okay? It is really good.
It's so good.
It's really good. And I love the idea of the Grand Marnier on top.
Gives you a little hint to it.
So I'm giving it a 9. I will say this. People that are not drinkers, oh honey, you would probably need assistance after having a glass of this. Because keep in mind, there are there's 2 liquors and 1 liqueur in here. And so it's very, very liquor forward. But I think also the fact that you can make this in a batch is great.
Good for parties.
Good
events.
for parties, good for like, you know, a brunch event that you may have.
There you go.
So that's my opinion.
I agree.
Tell me what you think.
I love peach. That's like one of my top 2 flavors, peach, and then of course mango. This, I'm gonna have to give it a 10. Like,
Oh, she went for the
I like it. I don't have nothing bad to say about it. And it's just right. So with and it's cute in a glass. I mean, woo child. It's good.
You definitely gonna need some water after.
Water? I'm past water at this point.
Okay, well, all right. She made it food. I don't know. But
But it's good.
so we like this. Tell me, out of the vodka drinks that we have tried so far, rate the drinks that you have tried so far, okay?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Cosmo, 3rd. Wouldn't even make the list, but you know,
child.
we gotta add it to the list. So Cosmo would be 3rd. 2nd place, pineapple, and then a peach dream for me for 1st.
You struggled.
I
there.
struggled because
Because you definitely guzzled the heck out of the pineapple martini
but
before.
I'm a sucker for peach.
Okay, all right. So, for me, it's weird. I think we have basically the same. We're in alignment here. I was gonna like try to say something cute, and I was like, but for real, we're in alignment here. The Cosmo is my least favorite. I tried. Yeah. This is definitely number 1. The pineapple martini is a very close second though. It's good. Here's the thing. I think that vodka needs a conduit, right? Because vodka itself is not necessarily flavorful. There are people that will just straight up order a vodka martini. More power to them. Okay. I like to have a little bit of flavor with my beverages. So I think that the selection we've put together it's good. I think that it gives vodka a chance to shine.
I agree.
Quite frankly.
I agree.
Because otherwise it may struggle in some people's eyes. So overall, I think that this drink is really good. Ironically, the recipe did not call for ice. I would add ice to make it more slushy.
Yeah.
That's my only complaint.
Right.
It's not even a complaint, it's just an observation. But this is good. And I would love to hear you guys' opinion. Please, if you are actually a lightweight, please have adult supervision around you though.
Yeah, or just have one. Just one serving. Don't do it back.
Half a serving.
Yeah.
Half a serving. Because I literally believe you might fall out. Because it's not
fall out though.
No, hear me out. It's not gonna hit you initially. You're gonna be getting up to use the bathroom and fall. Yeah. It's because it's just a lot of the stuff we love.
Fair.
And sometimes if you're not into that or you're not a heavy drinker, it can get a little extra.
It can get a little extra.
So that's my only thing about that.
I agree.
So definitely like, subscribe, comment below. I would love to hear your opinions on this if you've tried it out at home. And you know, we might be back for A bonus.
A bonus.
Maybe a bonus thing.
Ooh.
You know, we're feeling a little jazzy. I'm feeling a little adventurous.
It's summertime.
Like, you know what I'm
Get a little
saying? So stay tuned for that.
But I just want to let y'all know me and Amber made up behind closed scenes.
We did.
I ain't forget she called me a giraffe and a camel, okay?
Y'all,
But we made up though.
I'm not gonna live this down. I'm gonna have to put in some work in the next few months to get back in her good graces.
Just know,
I just want
I
you to
won.
understand, I was surprised that she had,
Live.
we're working on it. So, we'll be back.